the 4th anniversary of my mother's death at the hands of IHA, so I'm back today to let them know that I haven't forgotten. And also all these fine folks came out to support me, and they're also here because they're concerned about the cuts in health care, with cutting back on the nurses, and also in the operating room that's going to happen to 25%. So everybody's decided to come out today and support me, and to bring their own concerns as far as the health care in this area is concerned. You know, our impression is, or at least my impression is, that since IHA came into this area, that they've done nothing but rape and pillage the health care in the interior of the province of British Columbia, especially in the West Coast. We are a lot worse off than we ever were before they ever came into the area. They closed hospitals, they closed residential facilities. The things that were badly needed, beds especially for seniors, cutting them back like they have is absolutely ridiculous. And they keep saying, well, they need the funding, they need this, they need that. This province just spent billions of dollars on this extravaganza in Vancouver, which is going to benefit very few people. Some of that money spent in the interior of the province could have gone a long ways towards alleviating the health concerns and also the education. As you know, they're talking about closing schools. It's in the news every day. And this can't be. We were way better off before this organization ever came into this province. And as far as I'm concerned, the government of Campbell and his cronies need to be held accountable for what they've done. And I hope they enjoy the Olympics, because the next time they turn around, they just might find themselves out on their butts, and they would get exactly what they deserve. I'm not a political individual, but I certainly have to disagree with what they've done in this province when it comes to health care. This hospital used to be a great place to come. It was a building that had a lot of acute care beds, wonderful care, and a few offices. Now they've turned it into an office building with a few beds and a few rooms that have diagnostic equipment in them. So it's a complete reversal as far as I'm concerned. And the cutting back of nurses just boggles the imagination. And cutting back on surgeries when they already have huge waiting times. I don't know where this outfit's coming from, and I really believe that it's time that the people of this province and the government have a look at whether these people are doing any kind of a job or service to the people of British Columbia. That huge administration is soaking up all the money before it ever reaches the level that it should, where the caregivers can give that care. And so the administration needs to be cut, and if it means cutting at the top, then I say cut the whole damn works.
Tell us why you're here today.
I'm here to support the Albo family and the situation that happened 4 years ago, the tragedy that happened, and to support seniors in this region that I think continue to not get the best of care that they should be getting. I think that we have to keep lobbying the government and to remind them that things aren't perfect, and we don't want things perfect, but we just want to ensure that seniors get the care that they deserve. And so we have to continue to remind the IHA as well as the government that they need to do that.